Hello everyone, welcome to GED. We are doing some Swain support today with the Jhin, ADC, good old Volibear in the jungle. We did make Warwick blow his flash already. He has pressed the attack. We basically just came up here to this bush and then he flashed away. So, yeah, interesting. But anyways, we're against Ezreal and Soraka. Probably one of the more annoying lanes in the game, just because they just sit back and don't do anything. So I am Swain, so I will be catching them to the best of my ability. The good thing about Swain is that he can catch Ezreal even if he flashes or blinks or does whatever to get away. Swain's amazing at catching characters that run away, depending on how he's played. I do have a Spell Thief, so we're going to have to do some damage here. Hello there, Ezreal. Drop lots of damage, make Soraka transfer some health. We're just gonna keep throwing these out all day, Ezreal. Jhin's pushing the lane, that's good because Ezreal can't see us very well under towers. Even with his Q, it's still quite a problem to do that.
What beauty truly is.
Oh, she dodged. Oh, that was close. I should have said it a little bit backwards. Most people go Q first. It's not what you do with Swain support. You definitely go with your catch and your slow, because once you catch them, you just drop your slow and they're done. Assuming your ADC is competent enough to catch them. Oh yeah, she flashed. She flashed. Hey, they're attacking me, bro. Just shoot them in the face. Warwick's top lane, so we're safe now. Oh, interesting. I should have ignited her. Oh my god, he got the move. Oh my god, he killed me. That Jhin effed that up. He effed that up so hard. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, 6 kills in 3 minutes. What is going? Oh my. Oh man. That was crazy. I got a few harvest stacks, that's good. That was disappointing. I like the Soraka skin. It's very, very Doom-esque. Swain can also zone through creeps, so that's good. That was just crazy that he got through that and Jhin didn't kill him. Jhin, like, ran away. She didn't finish him. If Volibear comes, be a pretty easy kill on Soraka. She has nothing left. Not quite sure what build I want to go this time around. Probably go pretty standard. Usually Swain does good with the Rylai's. The slow of his ult, the slow of all of his abilities just help as a support immensely. Pow pow, pow pow. Eat 'em. Always max your E for maximum cooldown. Nope. Volibear's waiting. He's waiting too much. Alright, well at least we avenged him. You're dead. You're dead. Come on, Warwick, you wanna play? You wanna play with me? Bring it on, boy. Right. Swain will bring the pain.
This is the least of my crimes.
Might as well take my CS while I'm here and just kind of filter it out. Never leave your CS down. It's free XP, it's free free gold as a support. You got about a what, 7 kill limit or something like that when you're a support. 7 kill limit, and then you get the penalty. You shall. Oh god, I didn't even realize they were doing that. My bad. The Soraka's a bit. Oh, that was close. I'll chug a biscuit. Oh, I ate that to the face, didn't I? Nice. Jin is missing creeps here. I think I might go back. Clear this out. Soraka, I will destroy you. I'll destroy you so hard. Okay, I'm going back before we hit 6 so I can get some items, get some Moby boots. Not some Moby boots, some boots in general, just so I can get to where the fighting is. Grab a potion, why not? Get a little bit of health back, and we're back on our way to the lane. 1 creep away from 6. Volley falls off too. Volley doesn't fall off, man. Volley gets super strong late game. The new rework is amazing. They do have a Kali. She'll be hard to hit. An ally has been Soraka's mid. Interesting. 3 mid. Interesting. Okay. You have to assume that Warwick's gonna be mid all the time. Do I have to go kill this mid? What is going on here? They're getting plates and crap. I thought I got the Kali. I guess not. Anyways, blew my flash on accident. I didn't really want to blow my flash, but we do want to push this lane. There we go. Nice. Very nice. Alright. Ezreal. Just trying to get those plates down. I love Swain's voice actor. He's such an arrogant dude. She was trying to get me. She was definitely trying for revenge.
They expect me to play.
Alright. Dude, are you even gonna come up here, Mr. Jin? Like he's sitting down there CSing and didn't even get to anything. Oh, it's close. I will destroy you. If only Jin was a little bit better at his role. I'm just throwing them out. I ain't got much left in terms of mana, so we gotta wait. Nice. Nice follow-up. That was a good follow-up by Jin. Nice. That was a good follow-up. What? I'm taking some creeps. We gotta push this out. I want the play up. Volibear's there. Or not Volibear, Warwick. Yeah, we gotta go to Dragon. Got him. Alright, time to buy. Emu, what's the biggest, baddest RPG game coming?
Biggest, baddest RPG game.
knows who he is.
I'm talking to my Discord.
I don't know, I'm pretty hyped for Baldur's Gate.
Looks okay. Baldur's Gate looks
I don't know
okay.
if you know this, but I've beaten Divinity 3 or 4 times. This game's godlike.
Sick.
The more they try
I
to
never really got into the Divinity series.
on the right path.
Seems okay though. Now that we got our slow stick, we are ready to rock and roll on both these guys. A lot of people like to go Rod of Ages on Swain. I don't really think Rod is
Allow fools to
the best item to go on him, really. Or his Zonias. People just walk out of your Zonias if you don't have something like Rallies. Basically like Fiddle, use Zonias and then everyone just walks out. It's better to keep them in and boost your hit points rather than just go invulnerable and suffer. Free gold, free gold, free gold. Oh god, they hit us with everything. 4 bottom, okay. Okay, 4 bottom. Nice, 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 nice. We're gonna go with extra hit points. Nah, we'll go with more damage first. Keep chugging pots. Hopefully Rise gets strong enough to kill somebody. Kali's pretty good. She played that pretty well. She hit both me and him and then went through both of us. Uh-oh, pincher attack. Pincher attack. Pincher attack. Kali shut down. They could have got the Soraka as well, but I don't think they played that how they should have.
To redraw the map, the blood of soldiers must be the ink.
Swain's voice lines are also amazingly good. I love him. Love my Swain. Okay, now once you got a good base of abilities built up, then you can start maxing your Q for maximum damage. Once you're basically starting to get out of the laning phase, then you can go Q damage. This ability right here, Vision of Empire, starts to really hurt late game. Like, it gets some heavy damage on it. Oh my god, get off me. Please. So no one could kill the Akali. Annoying. Ollie, that's your time to go in. Nice. That was perfect. And bad. Don't forget bad. Get Vision of Empire going up here for when somebody roots somebody. If Rise so much as like hits them with a Jin, you want to hit her with something? Nice. Got her. I'll pull out the soul. Rip out the soul. Quit being bad.
Your team has destroyed.
Hit them. Somebody hit them. See, like, the Winter Stealing Swain build is just, like, so good when it starts to ramp up. So much cooldown, though. Oh my god. Root him. Root him. Oh. What? He's not even being slowed. What's the slow resistance? The heck is that? What rune does he have? Oh, he's got that stupid speed rune, that's why. They're not gonna win that if they don't kill a Soraka. Oh god, the healing is so dumb. And here comes Warwick. Hope our top lane is having fun because we're getting pummeled down here. Let's get some boots. What do we need? We need a rod, right? So let's go ahead and grab this. Level 2 ulti. Ugh, yuck. Also on Swain, a very good item would be a what is that item that does the damage? Oh man. Not afraid of you, Akali. I am not afraid. A Ludens. That's what I wanted. Ludens. We have a lot of stuns, which pair well with Swain because he can rip out for free damage and health and everything. But I don't know why nobody's just doing anything. Chase her down. Stun her. Nobody's stunned anything. Okay, I guess that has a huge hitbox. Goes way beyond its visual. Seems about right for Riot programming. Oh boy. How did he jump back? Did he flash? I think he flashed. Either that or a nice little spike of lag. Why is nobody can defend this? Okay, whatever. Team's backing up. I have no mana. I just need somebody to root something. Like, literally anybody to root something. I have no mana and nobody's rooting anything. Jin should just start ulting. Oh god, what are they doing? I don't want to even look at what my team is doing right now. Probably dying to a Kali. Oh yeah, she did. There's a Soraka. Can't get Vision of Empire out yet. Nice, nice, got him. I'm coming team. Almost within vision. Keep fighting. Oh god, the Warwick healing is so dumb. They both have healing. Oh my god. Why do you guys not follow team? You just watch. we need the damage to burn their health away. Waits for you to die and then goes in. Yeah. Yep.
For Noxus to be strong. I was born a patrician.
Oh, Aurelia. Oh, Aurelia.
A soldier.
Does anyone... I want to buy my beat stick here. I really need to get my next item before we team fight again. Hey team, look. Hey team, look. 3 of you running. 3 of you running. So garbage. Like, you can tell the exact path the enemy is going to take, and they don't do anything. Literally don't do anything. So they can't outlast a Vlad, Soraka, Warwick. So I don't know why they're trying to play the poke game. Israel's right there, dudes. He is right there. Ult Jin? Ult Jin? Jin? Oh, he dead. Ripped out her soul. Volibear's going to fight Vladimir. Uh-huh. Yeah, you better get out of here. Better just flash away. I kinda wanna buy my item. That rune is so dumb with movement speed. Like, literally so dumb. I'll rip out your souls. Oh wait, here comes a Kali. Go ahead, do it. Go ahead, do it. Go ahead, do it. Go ahead, do it. Come closer. Get stunned. Get stunned and you die. Stun him. Oh, come on, team. You could have got him. Stun either one of them. Just stun either one of them. Just push it. Just push it. Just push it. Just push it. Come on, team. They got no ults. Oh, disabled the tower. Nice. No stuns. Stun. Stun team. Stun. Oh god, I'm out of mana. I'm getting out of here. I'm getting out. Oh god. Oh god, they're coming after me. Here's Vlad's stupid ability. Why is everybody ignoring the guys chasing? Oh, that was a good suicide. Okay, whatever. Yeah, we need to go. What do we need to go? Probably need to go Ludens for that extra damage. Or possibly Zonia's. Zonia's might be good. I know I knock Zonia's at the beginning, but sometimes, like, if you're getting chased by a Vladimir or something, you can just kind of pop it. Don't pop it when you go in.
After the battle, the ravens feast. One can read the future. See one.
We did it, fam. We got the catches. Well, Jin did a couple of the catches as well. MVP Jin, definitely. Swain is amazing.